Hello everyone, I'm Steven and I'm the host of this channel and this is my guest host Frank.
Hello everyone, I'm Steven's friend Frank. So today we are going to make small dialogues with run across and run out.
Run out.
You guys remember run out and run across? Steven, could you explain a little bit more please?
Sure. Run out. Run out means something is gone.
Something is gone, is going down, run out. Do you remember? I am running out of coffee.
Running out of coffee.
I am running out of ideas about these videos.
I'm running out of ideas. I'm running out of energy. I'm tired.
Something like that. And second, we studied run across.
Right.
What does that mean?
Run across means sudden surprise meeting someone. You run across, you meet.
Yes. I ran across very nice Italian restaurant.
Yes, I ran across Frank's school.
I ran across my old friend yesterday. Today, I'm going to make a small dialogue for you guys. Run across and run out. You guys ready to watch and enjoy? Steven, I think we don't have any coffee.
We ran out of coffee.
Oh, we ran out of coffee?
We ran out.
Why didn't you buy coffee? I need coffee now.
I'm sorry. I forgot to run to the store to buy more.
Okay, I will run to the supermarket and buy some coffee. Okay, hold on. Oh, Steven, you know what?
What?
I ran across my ex-girlfriend at the supermarket.
Oh. Is that good or bad?
It was bad
Oh, no.
because she was dating other guy.
Oh.
Aha. Not very good. But when I went to the supermarket,
Yeah.
I ran into a very nice noodles.
Very nice noodles. I love noodles.
Yes, I bought some.
That
You wanna
is-
try?
Yes, I love noodles.
And I bought some coffee.
Oh, you bought more coffee.
Yes, please don't forget to buy coffee before we ran out.
Sure, I will remember for sure.
And I should be more careful when I go to the supermarket because I don't want to run across my ex-girlfriend again.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Yes. Like this, you can make any sentences for your daily English with run across
Run across,
and run out.
run out. Run out of something, run across something, run out of money. I have no more money, run out,
Yes.
like this.
I hope you enjoyed watching this video.
Yes, I hope you enjoyed watching our video. Visit my channel again anytime and see us here. See you later.
Yes, see you later. Bye for now.